Hey guys, today we get on to a new topic on statistics function. We start with a very simple function that is count. Count has various variations or various uh, types in which you can use count function, and there is a specific use case to every count function which we'll see in our subsequent videos, but we'll start with a very simple function that is count. Now, what count function does is it counts the selected range which has numbers. Hear me out properly. Count function counts the number of cells which has numbers in it. So it will not count any non-numeric values. So it will not count any error values, any text strings, or any missing values, or any Boolean values like true or false. Yeah. So what it does is it will simply count the number of cells which has numbers within it. So the simple count function will look like this: count, and then it will have a number inside it, number one, comma, then others are optional. So you can have number two, comma, number three, comma, so on and so forth till number 255. So you can have around 255 items for which you can do the count. Yeah. So there could be 250 additional items, cell references, or ranges within which you want to count numbers. Yeah. So when I'm talking about 255 additional items, that means if I select a range, that is being counted as one item, not the number of items within the range. Yeah, but if I try to put individual items, then it would be a count from 1 to 255. But for a range, it would be just one range which has been added, and I can have 255 such ranges added within the count function. Yeah. So that's how uh, so you can have multiple values within the cell which you want to count as a range. So let's use one of the cell. That cell is or a range that is cells. So it has around 18 values. So let's see if it is I am able to get those values using count. So I'll say count, and I'll select this values, the entire range, and press enter. You get this count as 18. So it is the number of items that I have within this range that has been counted here. Yeah. Now, if I try to use the same formula for category, it will not give me any count because these are all text values. It doesn't have any numbers within this text value. Yes, but if I try to replace any of the text parameters with a value, it will give me the count of that particular cell. So the important thing that you need to remember in count is it gives you the count of all the values within the range. Those are numeric values or date values, because date are also considered as uh, serial numbers within Excel. So if I try to count date, so you can see here, I'm trying to count the date. It will give me the count. Yeah. Oh, I did a sum. Sorry. Count. Yeah. So it gave me the same count, 18. So it is able to count dates and values within a cell. If I try to count Boolean value, yeah, if I try to count Boolean characters that which are here, true and false, it should give me 2, but it will give me 0. Yeah. So as I told you, count will only count values within a particular range which has numeric data type available within those range of cells that you have selected. It will also ignore blank values. So if I delete this, it will ignore the blank value, and you can see the cell which was 18 previously had changed to 17. So let me go back. So I'm deleting this cell. You will find this 18 being is changed to 17. Yeah, so this is changed. The count has changed because it ignores the empty value within the particular range. Yeah. So there are other functions. Then you'll ask what can I do to count the cells which has text or any other values available in those cells. So there is a different function which we'll check in our subsequent video. But hope I was able to make the concept clear regarding count function. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Comment if you want me to cover any topics within this 365 days of Excel journey. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because that's how you're going to get notification of any videos that I upload on YouTube. And yes, that will also motivate me to create such free content for you all people and make you Excel expert. Thank you so much.